Hey guys! So, if you're wondering about public funds and your visa status, don't worry. I was in that situation a while back too. Sometimes it can be confusing to know what you're entitled to, but it's worth checking out. Recently, there was an update on public funds, so if you or someone you know is unsure about this, watch this video. Now, let's talk about public funds in the UK. If you're living here or planning to move here, this info is important. The government website has resources to help you out, so don't stress if you see something on your BRP. The update on public funds was on October 11th. If you have permission to be in the UK, you may have restrictions on accessing public funds. This means you can't claim certain benefits like tax credits or housing assistance. But there are exceptions, especially for students. I'll share more details on this in the video. Different regions in the UK have different rules for public funds, so it's essential to understand the specifics before applying for anything. For instance, in England, Wales, Northern Ireland, and Scotland, public funds may vary. If you're pregnant or have specific circumstances, you might be eligible for certain grants or benefits. Make sure to check with the relevant departments or agencies to get accurate information. In terms of benefits available, there are various options like universal credit, state pension credits, disability benefits, housing benefits, and more. Each region may have its own set of benefits, so it's crucial to know what you're eligible for. If you're in Scotland, for example, there are specific benefits like child disability payments, funeral support payments, and job start payments. Overall, understanding public funds and what you're entitled to can make a significant difference. So, make sure to do your research and seek guidance if needed. And remember, sharing this information with others who might be confused can be helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay informed about public funds in the UK. For those who have a visa or BRP that doesn't mention anything about public funds, there are certain benefits that are excluded. If your BR says no recourse to public funds, the benefits I'm going to share with you are not included. There are also other categories of visas that state no recourse to public funds. If you have this in your VP and you're wondering about contributory benefits and statutory payments, let me explain. Public funds do not include benefits based on national insurance contributions. People with no recourse to public funds who have paid the necessary national insurance contribution or have a relevant period of employment or self-employment can claim these benefits. If you're confused about eligibility, it's always better to call and find out rather than running away without asking. Running away is like missing out on something you're entitled to. During COVID, many people missed out on benefits they were entitled to because they didn't realize they were not classified as public funds. The following benefits and statutory payments are not considered public funds for immigration purposes: job seekers allowance, child benefits, employment and support allowance, maternity allowance, state pension, statutory sick pay, bereavement support payment, industrial injuries disablement benefits, and more. Local authorities support social care services are also not classed as public funds for immigration purposes. It's important to check with the department to find out your eligibility. Various categories of visas are clearly stated as not having recourse to public funds, such as student visa, graduate route, skilled worker visa, health and care worker visa, and more. Make sure to call the organization to confirm your immigration status and eligibility for benefits. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you need further details about public funds, you can check the official website for guidance. Remember, it's always better to call and find out rather than missing out on benefits you're entitled to. Like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Stay tuned for more interesting content in my next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe to join our family. Bye for now.